Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management, DEM, a centralized solution enabling law enforcement agencies to store, manage, share, and analyze ever-increasing digital evidence collected from documents, images, bodycam, dashcams, CCTV and drones. Digital evidence requires protection through a mechanism that ascertains evidence, or rendition of evidence, that has been tampered with or not. To empower law enforcement agencies to be able to run tamper detection workflows, VIDIZMO DEM offers evidence tamper detection that makes your DEM system capable enough to identify that an attempt to compromise evidence integrity has been committed. This detection of the threat enables the user to verify whether the evidence is in its original form or not. In this video, we will be taking a look at detecting tampered evidence in VIDIZMO DEM. VIDIZMO DEM gives you the ability to detect tamper on both single evidence and bulk evidence. To run tamper detection on single evidence, click on the overflow menu of the evidence you want to check for tamper from the portal's homepage. Click on Verify Evidence to run the workflow for checking evidence tampering, and a notification will appear displaying the message, Tamper Verification Workflow has been initiated. By the way, evidence tamper workflow can take a while to detect tamper as it checks each available evidence rendition. If you are in Case View, you can switch to the Evidence View by clicking on the filter icon above and selecting Evidence. In case the evidence has not tampered, the evidence will indicate its authenticity with a verified marker. The verified status can be seen on the thumbnail of the evidence. If the evidence has tampered, its status will appear as tampered after the detection process has completed. Clicking on the tamper status will take you to the evidence information screen, where you can see the time when the last tamper detection was run. To run tamper detection on bulk evidence, select More than one evidence, and select Verify Evidence next to Upload Evidence from the top menu bar on the portal's homepage. Once the bulk tamper detection workflow completes, you will be able to view the status of each evidence on its thumbnail. To view the tamper report, click on the tamper status of evidence from the portal's homepage and it will take you to the Evidence Info screen. From the Evidence Info screen, you can view when the last tamper detection check was run. Click on the plus-shaped icon in the file name to expand all the renditions of that particular evidence. In the Tamper Status column, you will be able to view which rendition of the evidence has been tampered with. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. Stay tuned until next time.